Shubha Khote and has carved out her own distinct space as one of Indian stage and television's most beloved comedy voices. Bhavna.
I am honored to be reading Barish because it's a beautiful poem. Beautiful, he's painted his wonderful journey and the desire of a great rock. So I'm honored that you got me to read this. बारिश छुओ मुझे मैं पल भर के लिए आई हूँ, भीगो मुझ में मैं तृष्णा मिटाने आई हूँ, आंखों में भर लो मुझे मैं सपने सजाने आई हूँ, तुम्हारी सजनी का कजरा चुराने आई हूँ। पनघट पे ताता थैया करने दो मुझे, मैं नदियों को घुंघरू पहनाने आई हूँ, पहाड़ों पे बरसने दो मुझे, मैं पगडंडियों को कहना बनने आई हूँ, खिड़की पे आकर निहारो मुझे, मैं फुहार बन गुदगुदाने आई हूँ। बच्चों को नंगे पांव बाहर भेजो, मैं कागज की नाव बहाने आई हूँ। करो ना छतरी का पर्दा मुझसे, तुम्हारे गालों को चूमने आई हूँ। बांधो ना जुल्फों को अपनी, मैं गेसुओं से खेलने आई हूँ। छुओ मुझे मैं पल भर के लिए आई हूँ, भीगो मुझ में मैं तृष्णा मिटाने आई हूँ।
But Anita, I'm looking for the first time. I'm so happy to meet you. So I'm going to read this lovely poem called What's Your Story, and it actually does resonate a lot with me. What is your story? The art designer wanted double income, no kids. Now she has a jaunty jalopy which seats 3 kids. The motivational speaker wanted to be a light to all. Jumped from the window, a tree cut his fall. The paperback writer wanted the Pulitzer Prize. Now he ghost writes sleazy sitcoms. The unit boy wanted a small role, just a bit. Now he has a chair of his own with director written. Guess who? The yoga teacher wanted to write a book to cure all. Now he has an ailing heart, doctor's advice, no exercise at all. What is your story? I don't know, my friend. But take it on your chin if it pans out differently in the end. Listen to roles so effortlessly that he makes audiences forget him, that it is acting. Bringing a quiet gravitas and depth to every character that he portrays. Shishir Sharma. Widely recognized for his memorable and grounded performances in Razi, Mary Kom, Gangan, Uri, The Taj, Kuch Sapne Apne, Raza, and the Kumpi film Gaudiya and Ramayan with Ranveer. Over to Shishir.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया दिनेश। मैं दिनेश को पहली बार शायद 2020 में मिला था, कोविड के टाइम्स में। हम एक शो किया करते थे सिंगापुर से मैं इंडिया में गया, जिसका नाम था समाधि। दिनेश को मैंने इनवाइट किया एंड ही रेड द हाइप देयर। हमारी दोस्ती हुई through a common friend, and he was looking out for a person to read his poems. Called me and said, "Will you read my poem?" The one that I'm going to read today is the first poem that I read for Dinesh Raja.
And then he did 11 more.
And Dinesh kept asking me, "Will you read?" I said, "Dinesh, don't ask, just tell me, and I'll read it."
Go ahead.
पोएम का शीर्षक है ख्वाहिशों का सिलसिला। कई बार इकरार का सिला इनकार में लगा है, फिर भी ख्वाहिशों का सिलसिला बिना इजाजत लिए हर रोज चलता रहता है। जिस दिन दिल की धड़कन रुक जाएगी, उम्मीदों से रिश्ता टूटेगा। रूह आस लेकर फिर भी भटकेगी, चाहतों से रिहाई मिलेगी ना कभी, ना जीते जी न मरकर। फिर क्यों हम जद्दोजहद करें, क्यों ना आरज़ुओं के समंदर में बहें। मचलती लहरें किनारे पहुंचेंगी, तपती रेत से गले लगेंगी। सुकून मिलेगा 2 घड़ी, फिर एक नई प्यास जगेगी। यूं ही सफर चलता रहेगा, ना कोई मंजिल ना कोई ठिकाना, बस रास्ता और मुसाफिर। शुक्रिया।
Listen to roles so effortlessly that he makes audiences forget him, that it is acting, bringing a quiet gravitas and depth to every character that he portrays. Shishir Sharma. Widely recognized for his memorable and grounded performances in Razi, Mary Kom, Dangal, Uri, The Taj, Kuch Sapne Apne, Raza, and the Konkani film Gaudya and Ramayan with Ranveer. Over to Shishir.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया दिनेश। मैं दिनेश को पहली बार शायद 2020 में मिला था, कोविड के टाइम्स में। हम एक शो किया करते थे सिंगापुर से मैं इंडिया में गया, जिसका नाम था समारोह। दिनेश को मैंने इनवाइट किया एंड ही रेड द हाइप देयर। हमारी दोस्ती हुई through a common friend, and he was looking out for a person to read his poems. Called me and said, "Will you read my poem?" The one that I'm going to read today is the first poem that I read for Dinesh Raheja.
And then he did 11 more.
And Dinesh kept asking me, "Will you read?" I said, "Dinesh, don't ask, just tell me, and I will read it."
Go ahead.
पोएम का शीर्षक है ख्वाहिशों का सिलसिला। कई बार इकरार का सिला इनकार में लगा है, फिर भी ख्वाहिशों का सिलसिला बिना इजाजत लिए हर रोज चलता रहता है। जिस दिन दिल की धड़कन रुक जाएगी, उम्मीदों से रिश्ता टूटेगा। रूह आस लेकर फिर भी भटकेगी, चाहतों से रिहाई मिलेगी ना कभी, ना जीते जी न मरकर। फिर क्यों हम जद्दोजहद करें, क्यों ना आरज़ुओं के समंदर में बहें। मचलती लहरें किनारे पहुंचेंगी, तपती रेत से गले लगेंगी। सुकून मिलेगा 2 घड़ी, फिर एक नई प्यास जगेगी। यूं ही सफर चलता रहेगा, ना कोई मंजिल ना कोई ठिकाना, बस रास्ता और मुसाफिर। शुक्रिया।
आप लोग वहाँ ले लेना ना, बहुत लोग अभी बहुत लोग आएंगे।
So all used to be stand there
अभी और my phone please.
भैया मैं भी हूँ इधर। ये अरे भैया ओ
Vicky, where is my phone?
सर रुकिए रुकिए
जी थोड़ा क्लोज आइए, थोड़ा क्लोज आइए।
हाँ सर सर
सर
ये मोहब्बत न छीन के, न भीख में मिलेगी मोहब्बत न छीन के, है तासीर तेरी अदाओं में तो मेरा दिल जीत ले। मस्त मौजों से खेल रहा था तूफानों से बेखबर, मस्त मौजों से खेल रहा था तूफानों से बेखबर, कम वक्त क्यों नजर आ गया किनारों का मंजर। When you're bored, you go out and then suddenly you feel safety, and you come back. भरी महफिल की नजर टिकी है मुझ पर और मेरी तुझ पर, तेरे दीदार में जो सुरूर है उनकी वाह वाह में कहा। For writers, अभी यहाँ मेरी वाह वाह हो रही है, तारीफ हो रही है। मुड़कर देखा तो कोई पैरों के निशान नहीं, मुड़कर देखा तो कोई पैरों के निशान नहीं, या किसी को होगा मेरा नाम नहीं, कोरे आए हैं कोरे ही जाएंगे, कागज कलम का यहाँ कोई काम नहीं। कभी मेरा भी दिल करता है काबिल नुमाइश दौलत हो, कभी मेरा भी दिल करता है काबिल नुमाइश दौलत हो, फिर गिनकर देखता हूँ उंगलियों से ज़्यादा दोस्त है मेरे, फिर गिनकर देखता हूँ उंगलियों से ज़्यादा दोस्त है मेरे, मुझसे ज़्यादा रईस कौन है। One of my दोस्त is here, where is Karan, Sanjay, Sanju, yeah. One of my 9 fingers. This is again, I think a little bit of self-pity trip. मेरे अंदर पनप रहे गीत कई, मेरे अंदर पनप रहे गीत कई, कुछ सुने तो सही, वरना गुनगुना कर खामोशी के हवाले कर दूंगा, वरना गुनगुना कर खामोशी के हवाले कर दूंगा, शायद इनकी उम्र इतनी। This is when you fall out of love and the other person is still alive.
I am very excited. I am the publisher of this book. So yes, we have done a lot of hard work on this, spent months reading the book and preparing it for the reader. So yes, very, very excited. Sorry? My favorite poem, I think, is Trisha Ghar Aayegi, because that is something that I as a parent can also connect with, and it's beautifully written. Actually दिनेश जी की सभी poems बहुत ही सुंदर हैं और बहुत different है, पर मुझे त्रिशा घर आएगी बहुत पसंद है. Okay, thank you.
Book launch, okay. Me and Dinesh go back a very, very long time. It's so amazing that besides being the editor of one of my favorite magazines, which is Movie, he's gone so much ahead and has come out with 6 books. You know, he's been a historian, and today he's shown a new side to his personality, which is poetry, and it's so nice. And today I can relate to the fact that how his writing has always been so different, even when he wrote for magazines, because there is a hidden poet in him, and so the headlines that he gave, you know, for his cover stories and all were also so special. Today I can bring it all comes back together. The fact that the hidden poet in him made his writing so beautiful and so exotic, if I may use the word. And here's to a journalist who's chronicled an entire era of Bollywood, but the poet who's made the entire era timeless. So I wish him all the best on his new book, Adhuri Khwaishon Ne, and lots of love to you, Dinesh. as awesome as all your previous books, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.
How do I feel? Absolutely wonderful, fantastic. Yeah, I mean, yeah, he said, would you host the show exactly about 3-4 days before? Or actually, he was going to do it. So मैंने कहा बिल्कुल, क्योंकि the poems are wonderful and I would meet all our friends. Which one is my favorite? My favorite, there are many actually, but the one that I read in English, it's Tell Me, और हिंदी में जो है वो है मुहाफिज, वो भी बढ़िया है. साथ में ख्वाहिशों का सिलसिला जो शिशिर ने पढ़ा. और कोई? बस? Yeah.
Thank you.
My name is...
Oh, I'm very happy to be here at the launch of this beautiful book. The launch of this beautiful book, Dinesh Raheja's Adhuri Khwahishoon Ne Unfulfilled Desires. What a fantastic rendition in Hindi and English. Amazing, amazing, amazing.
And how much you excited for this book and which one your favorite?
So the favorite poem is the one which I read, like What's Your Story? It really resonates with me. And in fact, all his poems I love. But What's Your Story really resonated, and that's what I like about it. Thank you. Thank you.
So how does it feel you come for the Dinesh Raheja's book launches?
मैं अगर हिंदी में बोलूँ तो चले?
Yeah, sure.
मैं दिनेश जी को 6 साल से जानता हूँ और जब दिनेश कोई भी पोएम लिखते हैं तो पहले मुझसे पूछते हैं कि तुम ये पढ़ोगे क्या? तो मैंने कहा कि अब पूछना बंद कीजिए, अब सिर्फ कहिएगा कि आपको ये कविता पढ़नी है या नज़्म पढ़नी है। 11 कविताएं मैंने पढ़ी हैं दिनेश की और आज यहाँ बुक लॉन्च के लिए अधूरी ख्वाहिशों में मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि दिनेश ने फाइनली ये बुक रिलीज़ की है और इतनी अच्छी अच्छी कविताएं हैं इसमें। अगर लोग पढ़ेंगे तो मुझे ज़रूर यकीनन मैं कह सकता हूँ कि दिस विल रेजोनेट विद मोस्ट पीपल हू रीड।
Which one your favorite poetry in this?
मेरी 2 फेवरेट हैं, एक जो मैंने पढ़ी अभी ख्वाहिशों का सिलसिला और दूसरी एक नज़्म है जिसका नाम है एक और नज़्म। बहुत खूबसूरत नज़्म है, बहुत खूबसूरत कविता है। तो मेरी तो बहुत सारी हैं, मैंने याद नहीं है कौन सी पढ़ी है लेकिन पढ़ी है।
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Very wonderful and very honored and delighted to be here to read one of the poems. As I said on stage, he had asked me to read a poem during COVID for his YouTube channel. And I think he asked Shishir and maybe Jyoti also. And when I read it, and I read a few more of his poems which he sent me, I told him that he should publish them. And he was very surprised. And he said, मैंने 100 poems लिखे हैं. मैंने कहा आपने 100 लिखे हैं तब तो आपको ज़रूर publish करना चाहिए. So today is the culmination of that. That I have come for the launch of the book that I discussed and pushed him a little bit to write. So I'm very happy he did it. And I hadn't read all of them. किताब मेरे पास अभी मेरे हाथ में आई है. And I am amazed at the variety of poetry. मतलब forget about language. हिंदी में है, थोड़े उर्दू में है, कुछ शायरी स्टाइल में है, अंग्रेज़ी में है. But mainly it is the style. The style is so different. Each poem has a very different style. Subject, of course, is very different, but the style is also very different. And that was quite a revelation because we had some wonderful actors and writers who read the poems. And I saw what a wonderful variety of poetry. So I wish him all the best. Many congrats, and here's to the next book. Thank you. Thank you.
I must say Dinesh Raheja had a very long and illustrious career as a journalist, as a writer, author, and now as a poet. So it was extremely enthralling to read his book, Adhuri Khwaishon Ne, Unfulfilled Desires, and I was very happy to read Schizophrenia from his book. So, of course, I mean, we've all been brought up on poets, Wordsworth and Blake and Keats, and it's great to come across a poet in India who writes both in Hindi and Urdu and of course in English. So it was good to have a long-time friend finding his place in literature. So I'm extremely happy to be here, and I congratulate him and wish him all the best. Thank you.
Dinesh, I don't know what I'm doing here. All fabulous veteran actors, and I'm a writer like you.
Veteran writer.
I'm a veteran writer, but I'm not an actor. So
You are
Veteran.
I am.
Yes. You guys know she's done a film?
I played Anand's wife. Anyway, forgive me. I'll try my best. You, me, complete. Space is a ferry for us to fill, not for others. You, me, soulmates. We could have met her. Still, happy we found each other. You, me, energy, combustible together, depleted without the other. You, me, symphony, music in our silences. No need to speak with each other. You, me, God, feeling the grace, we trust each other. You, me, life, song, music, dance, till death does us apart, together. Thank you.
Thank you, Mamita. Thank you.
Yeah, so we are ex-colleagues with our movie magazine. I think he's been one of the best editors during our movie.
Yes.
And what do I say? His poems, his what else did you do before that? His scripts.
Script, yeah.
Original.
एक्चुअली मूवी मैगजीन अगर ये पैसे नहीं ले आते ना तो नहीं चलती, तो मैं कुछ भी करता कुछ ज़्यादा
advertising department.
तो हम एनुअल जब एनुअल करते थे ना हम लोग
No,
गिनते
but
थे.
he was, I mean,
he
without his
encouraged,
cooperation, we could not. He was
Yes,
the
yes.
most cooperative. He never had any airs about being that
Editor or
and-
something like that. Like how we faced with
Yeah, his previous.
Yeah. We
that
had
which-
good fun together. We celebrated a lot of birthdays together, then picnics
Holidays.
together, parties together. So that's how. Good fun. And Dinesh, be like
Yeah.
that only. Be happy. Do your poetries.
Yes.
You know? Thank you. Thank you so much.
Artistic lineage from her mother Shubha Kote, and has carved out her own distinct space as one of Indian stage and television's most beloved comedic voices. Bhavna.
I am honored to be reading Barish because it's a beautiful poem. Beautiful, he's painted this wonderful journey and the desire of a great rock. So I'm honored that you got to read this. बारिश, छुओ मुझे, मैं पल भर के लिए आई हूँ. भीगो मुझ में, मैं तृष्णा मिटाने आई हूँ. आँखों में भर लो मुझे, मैं सपने सजाने आई हूँ, तुम्हारी सजनी का कजरा चुराने आई हूँ। पनघट पे ताता थैया करने दो मुझे, मैं नदियों को घुंघरू पहनाने आई हूँ। पहाड़ों पे बरसने दो मुझे, मैं पगडंडियों को कहना बनने आई हूँ। खिड़की पे आकर निहारो मुझे, मैं फुहार बन गुदगुदाने आई हूँ। बच्चों को नंगे पांव बाहर भेजो, मैं कागज की नाव बहाने आई हूँ। करो ना छतरी का पर्दा मुझसे, तुम्हारे गालों को चूमने आई हूँ। बांधो ना जुल्फों को अपनी, मैं गेसुओं से खेलने आई हूँ। छू मुझे, मैं पल भर के लिए आई हूँ। भीगो मुझ में, मैं तृष्णा मिटाने आई हूँ।
With Vinay Jain, very.
Yeah.
You are, yeah. Here is. What timing, Vinay? This is like Ajok shot ready.
Nice to meet you, Vinay. Please let me.
You need to reintroduce him.
Yes, yes. If I can go back in time just a little bit. And
Brazilian film I saw called Nice, and in that there's a psychiatrist. She treats schizophrenic patients not with electric shocks and medicine, but she gives them a brush and a paint. So this poem was about how he paints, and their colors they use and the way they express themselves is very different from what we will use. They use very, like as if they're spitting and sing the colors. And in the ending, the Taylor brought the brush and goes away, not with being and admiring his work like you and I would. And they're so fearlessly express what he's done. You think twice before something rolled us back from expressing his life. But they are unafraid because they don't think like people. So that's So like I said, all my poems, most of them, either what I see or what I've experienced, or when I go to an airport, I watch people while they're watching TV. So I'm interested in basically humanity, and so then that's how my poems come.
lost in artistic versatility. Anand Narayan Mahadevan. Equal parts filmmaker and contemporary social commentator, he handles thought-provoking biopics and compelling human dramas with immense intellect. Please, Anand, we'd like to. And there's one particular, this is my bit, like, if you have to see one film of Anand's which he's directed, is The Storyteller. It is one of the most brilliant films which I've seen lately. And congratulations.
So Storyteller.
I haven't been given anything to read, so
That's okay.
That's
Bye.
very well.
Should I open the page and give you?
अब पूछने के बाद देख के फायदा क्या है? You asked me to read a poem called Schizophrenia. The primal within stares back from the easel stand. An ominous stroke of black, a red circle of lust in the center, green spreading its tentacles with envy. Ochre the ogre going full kilter. The canvas assaulted by a lava of colors, hissing and spitting. When the paint runs out, the wrist goes limp, the brush slips. He looks at his creation with eyes vacant. I marvel at his mind expressing itself so well about fear. Thank you.
Dinesh Raheja's book, Adhuri Khwahishoin, Unfulfilled Desires. So I'd like to take a moment to share something with you. Even though the title is Unfulfilled Desire, Dinesh has fulfilled one of my long-standing desires. Now before you start getting ideas, please let me explain. My mother Shubha Khote is in her 90th year. So we wanted to do something special to commemorate this milestone. So we thought of putting pen to paper. He knows so much about films and has a way with words which we have all witnessed today. So, and after hearing his poems, I think he will do poetic justice to her story. I look forward to sharing further details at a more appropriate time, but meanwhile, here's to Shubha Khote, a life truly unscripted.
Happy birthday to Shubha.
Yes. 30th of August, she completes 90 years.
Of Dinesh Raheja.
Do I feel?
Yeah.
Very honored. लेकिन मैं हिंदी में बोलूँ या अंग्रेजी में?
To which language you comfortable?
ठीक है, दोनों बोलूँ। तो ऑब्वियसली बहुत गर्व की बात है क्योंकि मैंने ये पोएट्री पढ़ी है इनकी शायरी, उनकी हाइकू भी पढ़ा है। इतना अच्छा उम्दा लिखते हैं तो ऑब्वियसली मेरे लिए बहुत गर्व की बात है दैट आई गॉट टू नो दिस पोएम। और जो कविता उन्होंने मुझे दी थी पढ़ने की वो बहुत ज़्यादा।
And which book is coming in next?
उन्होंने मेरी मम्मी पर किताब ऑथराइज्ड बायोग्राफी शुभा खोटे द फनी गर्ल। तो इस वजह से दिनेश जी के साथ बहुत ज़्यादा संबंध रहा है एंड सून वी विल बी रिलीजिंग द बुक शुभा खोटे द फनी गर्ल।
Thank you, ma'am.
Can we have 3 cheers for Adhuri Khwahishoin? Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray!
Quickly. Who's asking? Okay, then stand there. Stand there. Because my eye line will keep going to you. Stand there. Sorry? It's very noisy.
Beg your pardon? What did you say? Just repeat the question. Lovely. I've known Dinesh forever. I mean, I think when he was the editor of Movie magazine and a film journalist, and he has been coming home to interview my husband, and then I've been part of his chai group, and he's one of the most sensible and knowledgeable film writers. So when he writes poems, they are also beautiful, and what I like, they're short and sweet. I liked your story and the one I read, You, Me. Thank you.
How do I feel? Absolutely wonderful, fantastic. Yeah, I mean, yeah, he said, would you host the show exactly about 3-4 days before? Or actually he was going to do it. So मैंने कहा बिल्कुल, क्योंकि the poems are wonderful and I would meet all our friends. Which one is my favorite? My favorite, there are many actually, but the one that I read in English, it's Tell Me, और हिंदी में जो है वो है मुहाफिज, वो भी बढ़िया है, साथ में ख्वाहिशों का सिलसिला जो शिशिर ने पढ़ा। और कोई? बस? Yeah. Thank you. My name is.
अधूरी ख्वाहिशों ने जिंदा रखा है मुझे, अधूरी ख्वाहिशों ने जिंदा रखा है मुझे।
पानी चाहिए मुझे, क्या जल्दी 2-2 मिनट में प्यास, मैं यहाँ रखता हूँ, चाहिए।
Oh, I'm very happy to be here at the launch of this beautiful book. The launch of this beautiful book, Dinesh Raheja's Adhuri Khwahishoin, Unfulfilled Desires. What a fantastic rendition in Hindi and English. Amazing, amazing, amazing.
Like how much you excited for
So the favorite poem is the one which I read, like What's Your Story? It really resonates with me. And in fact, all his poems I love. But What's Your Story really resonated, and that's what I like about. Thank you. Thank you.